updating your legal name on Acorns is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name change is processed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Acorns account. Access your Acorns account by entering your credentials on the Acorns website or mobile app. Make sure you are using the correct account that needs the name update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile area where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select name change option. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Provide documentation. Prepare to upload any required documentation that verifies your name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. Follow the prompts to upload these documents securely. Step 5. Submit your requests. After entering your new name and uploading the necessary documents, review your changes and submit the request. You should receive a confirmation that your request is being processed. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Acorns regarding your name change.